hope you're all ready for another fun paint pour. Today we are going to be working on an 11 by 14 Artist Loft Level 3 Gallery Wrap canvas. I have leveled it with my level. That's why you see popsicle sticks on one side. And because I'm going to do a split canvas and I'm not using white as my base, on one side I've pre-painted my black, on the other side I've pre-painted my gold mix. So let's go through our colors. We're going to be doing a Dutch pour today. So all of our paints are mixed very thin. So this is my Floetrol and Glue-All pour medium. Just 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part Glue-All. And that's mixed with paint and if needed to get to consistency, water. So this first color, our base on the one side is going to be the Artist Loft Black. Again, this is a very nice thin consistency paint. I don't know if you can see that, but very thin. Just run right back off the stick into the cup. This next color, which is going to be our base coat on this side, is a mixture of 2 colors, and that is Decor Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold mixed with the Rustoleum Metallics in champagne. The champagne wasn't quite bright enough. It was too almost silvery toned for a gold. So I added some 24 karat to brighten it up and give it more of a bright shiny. I didn't want to use the straight 24 karat gold. I'm using that as one of my colors in the pour, but I didn't want that to be my base. So this is a beautiful mixture of the 2. And again, everything is very thin because this is a Dutch pour. Almost water consistency. So this is just the straight Decor Americana Decor 24 karat gold to be one of my colors. Next color is Arteza Pale Green. That's a beautiful bright green for us. We're doing all greens except for the gold. This next one is another blended tone because the one was a little too blue and not quite the darkness I wanted. So this is Folk Art Color Shift in Dragon Flash mixed with Deco Art Americana Satin in Woodland Green. And that gave me a nice sort of foresty green that also has a bit of that iridescent color shifting shimmer that's in that color flash. Next one's also a mix. This is Arteza Phthalo Green, and it wasn't quite dark enough, so I added a little bit of the Arteza Mars Black, and that gave me this really deep, dark green. Loving this color. Has just a bit of a bluish tint to it, but it's really gorgeous. This next one is Folk Art Color Shift in Emerald Flash. So that's a nice lighter tone of green for us. And then our last one is US Art Supplies Ivy Green Blue Iridescent. So there's another blue-green. It's an iridescent. It's going to be a lovely shifting color between greens and blue. So those are our colors. Everything is made nice and thin. So we're going to flood our canvas. We're doing a split canvas, which means one color base on this side and another color base on that side. I'm going to start flooding on the lighter color side because I found it's always easier if you do your light color first and then your dark color. And I have leftover of those colors, so if I need to retouch up sides when I'm all done, I can. All right, now we're going to lay down our paints. So I think I'm going to start with this. This is the Dragon Flash Woodland Green combination. Let's see what we get. Very happy with what's going on up here. Not quite as happy down here. I'm wondering if this was a little too thick and it just didn't flow as nice down here. So that's starting to look nice over there. I'm loving what is happening up here in the black. I just wish I was getting more of a reaction down here. But let it sit a minute. Let me get the torch. Give this a little torching and see what happens. See if that perks it up a bit. I think I almost want to run another strip here and blow some more down this way. Because this is just awesome up here. I'm loving this half. But down here, I'm really not getting what I wanted. I'm debating here. Oh, there's some gorgeous gold shimmer on top of the gold over there. That might work though. This bright green is really, this pale green is really standing out. I'm not unhappy. This right here, oh, this is my favorite spot. I'll have to show you that up close. All right, I think not too bad though. Not exactly what I was looking for, but get me blow a little bit more on top here. All right, let me bring you down for a close-up. Let me clean up my edges and my sides, and then I'll bring you down for a closer look here. Okay, there's a lot of glare because of the black, but I am really loving what is going on here. So on the gold side, the pale green really stood out. The dark is sort of running down the center. But look what happened up here in the black. Look at this. Oh, I'm loving this. And there's this shimmer. I don't know if I can catch it in the light. You can see that shimmer on the top of the gold. Oh, you can really see it right there. There's this shimmer of the gold and the other iridescence just floating on the top of that black. Oh, I'm hoping this dries well. I'm loving this over here. It's so bright. It's just sort of this standout out in the middle of the black. Oh, just awesome. Okay, I'm going to put this over on the dry table, and when it's dry, I'll take some pictures and I'll show you what it looks like. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you really liked what you saw, please leave me a like, leave me a comment. And if you want, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can see what I'm doing. Thank you for being here. Have a wonderful day. And this is the dried results of the Dutch pour. I'm still loving these sections down here in the black. you don't have a lot of color, but what you do have is so pretty. And then up here, that center line. Color's not quite true in this, but then that gold up top. I'm just loving some of the little sections in here. They're just so awesome. Okay. All right, I hope you enjoyed watching and have a wonderful day.